The average knowledge worker spends nearly 40% of their day on repetitive tasks. This isn't just wasted time. It's a productivity black hole that most AI tools used in isolation can't fix. But what if you could connect a few specialized AI tools into a single automated workflow, multiplying your output by 10 or even 100 times? This video will show you exactly how to do that. First, we'll expose the biggest mistake most people make with AI tools. Then, I'll reveal 7 powerful AI tools you can integrate right now. Finally, I'll walk you through building your first interconnected workflow step by step. Get ready to transform your daily work. Most people approach artificial intelligence as a collection of individual magic wands. They open ChatGPT for writing, Midjourney for images, or 11 Labs for voice, use it for a single task, then close it. This fragmented approach, while useful for quick jobs, leaves massive gains on the table. You're constantly copying and pasting, losing context, and suffering from cognitive load switching between interfaces. It's like buying a high-performance car and only using it to drive across the street. Each tool is powerful, but its true strength is unleashed when it's not an isolated island. The real power of AI lies in creating intelligent ecosystems where tools communicate and pass information seamlessly, enabling end-to-end automation of complex processes. Think of it as building a digital assembly line. Instead of doing each step yourself, you design a system where data flows from research to content generation to visuals, and even to project management, all with minimal human intervention. This is where you move beyond simple tool usage to intelligent workflow design, transforming your output from incremental to exponential. This isn't just about saving minutes. It's about reclaiming hours, even days, of your week. Let's dive into the 7 tools that form the backbone of these incredible workflows. Our first crucial component is a powerhouse for asterisk data synthesis and research. Tools like Perplexity AI or Claude Fable 5 excel at ingesting vast amounts of information and extracting specific answers, summaries, or even identifying key trends. Imagine needing a comprehensive report on a market trend. Instead of sifting through countless articles, you feed your query to Perplexity, which browses the web in real time and provides a concise, sourced overview. The key here is its ability to understand complex queries and return accurate, actionable data ready to be passed on to the next AI in your chain. It lays the groundwork, ensuring your subsequent AI tools operate on well-researched, up-to-date information, preventing the